Good. Excellent. Alright. Open it up a little bit. Good. Good. More gas. Get to 60. Woo! Good. Excellent. What are you going to do now? Good. Love it. More. What gear? Third. Lovely. You clutch up. Lovely. Excellent. Alright, what can you do now? Go for it. Good squeeze. Be generous. More. Gear change. Lovely. What gear now? Skip it. Love it. Good. Excellent. Decent. Where's your risk now down here? The pub, yeah. Good that. Where else? The bend, yeah. So what can we do? What gear? Yeah. Good. Smashing. Because you know what speed is coming up around the corner as well. Exactly, good. Nice that. What gear now? What's better? Yeah, good. Love it. Good. So how was that stretch? The acceleration? Cool. Did you get, when you came out of that junction, you got to the end of the road pretty quick, didn't you? Before that bend. What gear? Maybe here in speed. What gear's better? I would, yeah. Just have a good look so you get round and nice and neat coming into it. Often you can come round there, next minute another car comes up, you know how tight that can be, don't you? Yeah. Almost exactly the same with this road.
It's probably not colours.
What are you going to do again? So now let's decide, do you need first?
No.
You happy?
Yeah.
Lovely, good. Smashing it. What's the difference between this one and the other one though?
Isn't the other one going from a main route to a little route? And this one's just
Kind of.
little routes.
What about,
Vision?
yeah, what's different?
You can see more coming.
Yeah, you can see earlier into it, can't you?